Dave wandered in, sure this forest was hiding a perfect set of assets. And he found a waterfall of coins, and his grin turned downright greedy. At the pond, he learned even calm ripples called accounts receivable can carry money owed back home. Next came inventory, changing colors fast, like numbers that refused to sit still. In the grove of tools, he realized equipment can appear where you least expect. When vehicles dangled overhead, he stopped worrying and started enjoying the ride. A field of prepaid promises reminded him savings often start before the need. On the patent-lit path, he felt ideas themselves could be counted and kept safe. In a quiet nook, even notes to be paid back became music he could follow. At last, he tallied it all, then a sprite winked as if it approved.